Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive technology. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking innovation from Toyota. Toyota has unveiled a prototype of its Gigacasting equipment, a technology set to revolutionize electric vehicle manufacturing. This advanced machinery can create 1/3 of a car body in just 3 minutes. It's a significant leap from the traditional approach, which involves assembling 86 separate parts through a meticulous 33-step process. The Gigacasting machine demonstrated its capabilities by efficiently molding molten aluminium. This process converts aluminium from 700 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius, forming a seamless die-cast piece that constitutes the entire rear third of a vehicle chassis. Situated at Toyota's Myochi plant in Japan, this innovation is part of Toyota's overarching objective to have production processes, cut costs, and accelerate production readiness. All these strategic measures align with Toyota's ambitious target of selling 3.5 million electric vehicles annually by 2030. The Gigacasting innovation will be used to manufacture both the front and rear sections of an all-new electric model scheduled for release in 2026. Toyota's relentless pursuit of cutting-edge technology promises to reshape the landscape of electric vehicle manufacturing in the years ahead. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on this exciting journey.